we'll learn about text-to-speech component in MIT App Inventor. So you can see this is my app here and this is the component. Just drag and drop this component. First thing, this is a non-visual component. It means we can't see that component in our screen here. But in the right side, we'll see here the text-to-speech component. This is a really very useful component. Using this component, you can convert any text to the speech. So using this, you can create a talking Tom app. You can have the app that speak or that talk. Okay, so this is really very interesting. So how this will work? So first of all, in the right side, we will see the properties. You can see the country. Why it's that? When you choose the country, that will change the pronunciation of the speech. So suppose if I just choose the default to the US, this is USA, like this, just select. So whenever you write any text, so that will speak in USA pronunciation. Okay, so now how this will work? So let's create a simple app. Let's drag and drop one button and drag and drop one text. So whenever I write anything in the text, and once I click on this button, so this app will speak that text. Okay, now how? So click on this button and rename it to the something speak. Okay, and I'm gonna just make it, the width is something 70, and I'm gonna make all the thing in a center of my app, right? This, okay, and this is the text box. I'm gonna make that width is around 70%, but the height is around 10. Now I'm gonna just change that color to the background, something this, make it font bold and make it 18 like this. Good. Now let's go to the block. So whenever someone click on this button 1, so whatever the text is written, so click on text to speech. You can see the call text to speech speak. And what's the message? Message is text box 1.text. This one. Good, like this. Now here, let's go to the design and let's try this, how this will work. Now let's write anything here. Suppose, hello everyone, how are you? Something. Let's click on speak.
Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you?
Right. Now let's try to add some comma here. Let's see.
Hello everyone, how are you?
Right, that's fantastic. So now let me just change here the USA to something UK. Like this. This is for UK. You can select your own country and change the voice. You can see you have an option of pitch and you have option of pitch speech rate also. So you can increase or decrease the speed of your speech. So this is how you can use the text to speech. Now go to the block. Here's some more options. Click on this. You can see in the runtime, you can change the country also. Or if you want to stop it in the middle, so you can use this block whenever you want to create, suppose talking Tom app. So you need to just do one thing here. Whenever you just need to use here one more component that is called speech recognizer. That will recognize your voice. You can get that voice and then speak. You can call it here. So whatever you say, that will repeat your voice. This is how you can create a talking Tom app with the help of text to speech. So this is really very useful component. If you have any doubt related to this component, just comment on the video. I'm gonna help you on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.